We're back. We're now ready to program. There are several ways you can get into the program editor area. One of the easiest ones is to simply double-click on the item that's going to launch an event. Okay, when we had our program, the only thing that we were expected to do was click on the Click Me button. So that's the event. Clicking on that button. Here in our program, we will simply double-click on the button. And that takes us into the typing area. Okay, here's some few things you have to do. Come up to the beginning of public class. Notice how there's a public class and an end class. Those are paired. Do not delete those. Hit enter. Type an apostrophe. I like to decorate it with a star. Put top of code documentation. What is today? A requirement is an honesty pledge. If you got help from somebody, put it in there. If you did not get any help, it was totally your own work, put it in there. All right. We don't have a whole lot of code that this program has to do. That's not the purpose. All we need to do is to make that label visible. Now, many of the examples that you'll see have me typing me dot like so. One of the versions of Visual Studio liked us to do that. It made autocomplete better. We don't have to do that anymore. But autocomplete is there. IntelliSense it's called. So if I start typing the name of my label LBL, look, there it is. I then can either click on it or I prefer tab. You'll probably always want to type a period. That brings up the next set. Frequently it anticipates what you want. In this case, text is not the right thing. The right thing is visible, so if I type a V, it takes me there. And then I do what's called an assignment. An equal sign says, make it happen, put it in. I want to make it visible true. And right away I put in a comment so that I know what I've done. Okay, if I run it, there it is. It worked. An X to close it. And we're done with this piece of the puzzle. Come back in a few minutes.